Okay, well, herbs are absolutely wonderful in the garden. They've got so many uses, and this one is rosemary, and this is a must-have herb to grow in the garden. Obviously, it's great for cooking. Rosemary's great with meat dishes like lamb, but you can also use rosemary for other things. Rosemary has an amazing scent, and the oils of rosemary are supposed to be very good. They're supposed to be very uplifting. It's very good if you're feeling a little bit low, so sort of post-Christmas, you're feeling a bit miserable. Rosemary, a few sprigs of rosemary in the house. It's just a lovely scent for improving your mood. It's supposed to be very good for improving your memory as well. Another thing rosemary is very good for is treatment for hair. And you can actually make your own a rinse. I've got one here, rinse for putting on your hair. This is a rosemary rinse. It's very easily made. It's just a case of taking a few sprigs of rosemary. Actually, the top pieces are quite good because they've got the best oils in. So just taking a handful of rosemary, and literally you just put them in a pan of water and just simmer them for 10 minutes just to get the oils to come out into the water, and then let the water cool, and then just pour into a jar, a glass bottle, or any bottle that you've got, any old bottle. And literally, after you've washed your hair, you just use a little bit of this rinse on your hair, and it's got a lovely scent, lovely smell. It's very good for the scalp, really healthy, and it just makes your hair look really lovely and glossy. And that's really so simple to make. So that's the use of rosemary. But there are many uses for the herbs in the garden, and they're just worth their weight in gold to grow.